remove the wheel, use a 19mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Take the wheel off. Loosen up this jam nut, use a 19mm wrench. There we go. Remove this cotter pin right here, just use some side cutters. And slide it out. Now take this nut off, use a 19mm socket. There we go. Take the tie rod end out, and when you take this off, you want to count the threads. So 1, 2, and so on. That way when you put the new one on, that you put it back in as close to the same position as you took it off. 3, 4, 16, 17, 18. And record that number somewhere. Now I'm going to take some locking pliers just to prevent the tie rod from spinning. Take this nut off, use a 19mm socket. Remove the pliers. Put the jam nut back on. Take the outer tie rod in and install it the way it came off. So count the threads: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 16, 17, 18. And line it up with the knuckle. And put the nut on. And just compress this down a little bit. Tighten the nut up. Use an 18mm socket. Torque this nut to 40 foot-pounds. And take a cotter pin. Slide it through. If the castle nut doesn't line up, you can tighten it a little bit more. And just grab some side cutters and fold it over. Just trim the excess. And snug up the jam nut. If you can torque this, you could torque that to 33 foot-pounds. That's good. Install the wheel. Put the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.